Good morning guys, welcome to Mysore and this is day 5 in this travel series. आज के दिन आज के दिन हम लोग जाएंगे मैसूर पैलेस, चामुंडा हिल्स और मैसूर का जू। तो फिर चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं।
In 400 meters, turn left after State Bank of India on the left onto Old Bank Road, Sardar Patel Road.
सबसे पहले we are heading towards Chamundeshwari temple which is on Chamunda Hill since it is the most furthest point from our stay. On the way towards Chamunda Hill, you will come across many tourist attractions like this fish world and a sand museum to name a few. Also a lot of restaurants. After a few minutes of this open road, you'll soon be climbing up the hill. The road is also easy and very manageable, and we'll be able to get a view of Mysore from on top of the hill. Since it is weekend today, we are expecting a bit of traffic and rush. Let's see how things roll. And there was a bit of traffic over here. Luckily, they have a lot of area allocated for parking, which I shall show you while leaving this place. Chamundeshwari temple is situated on top of Chamundi Hill, which is about 3,489 feet above sea level and located at a distance of 13 kilometers from Mysore. The temple is dedicated to Sri Chamundeshwari Devi, deity of Mysore's royal family, also described as Mahishasura Mardini for having killed buffalo-headed demon Mahishasura. If you are interested in shopping, there are a lot of shops here. Temple was over there. यहाँ पे buses है, so you can come by bus. And shopping area थोड़ा costly है, but then again you can bargain. This is the car parking which I was talking about earlier. So with the temple done, it's now time to descend the hill and head towards our second destination, which is the Mysore Zoo. While heading down again, you may enjoy this magnificent view of Mysore city from on top. Also, a very important travel tip for this place would be to not visit this place on weekends or on a public holiday. Only because the rush is a bit too much, nothing else. So now let's move to the second location of the day, which is just 10 kilometers from here and towards the city. Just have a look at the amount of cars in the parking space for the zoo. Oh my god. By the way, parking fees for your vehicle and entry fees for yourself is separate. So, second stop for the day is Mysore Zoo. And यहाँ पे आपने रश देखा अभी कितना था, तो देखेंगे वीकेंड्स पे आने का साइड इफेक्ट. You can hire rickshaws from the parking to the zoo and the fare would be around 30 to 40 rupees. And in no time he will drop you at the entrance of the zoo. You can buy the tickets on these counters, which are 100 rupees per person. In total, you have to walk for about 3 kilometers to see the complete zoo, and that's the zoo map for you. So now just sit back, relax, and have a look at the different animals in this zoo. For some reason, those 3 kilometers seem a lot. I don't know why, but it is very tiring. There is also this little fountain and a small park area thing in the middle of the zoo for y'all to rest. At the cafe area, you can get a lot of things here, from snacks to popcorns and ice creams as well. So that brings us to the end of the zoo. I should tell you though, I did not cover the reptile area. The park exit आपको यहाँ से होगी. So see if you can find a parking space over here somewhere. Took a rickshaw again to take us back to the car parking area. The Mysore Zoo is done. Now we are heading towards the parking and finding our car. तो अभी हम लोग lunch करेंगे and then we'll decide if we are going for the Mysore Palace because the time is already 4 or Palace entry closes at 5. So we'll see if it is open till 6:37 like yesterday. So then we can go to the palace. Otherwise कल सुबह देखेंगे. Finally, there you are. And again, Green Heritage was the restaurant of choice. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back in the room. Or after the zoo, we went for lunch as you saw. And uske baad the time was almost 4:45 and the palace closes at 5. So aaj ka din we decided not to go because by the time we had reached over there, the palace would have already been closed. तो हम लोग कल जाएंगे पैलेस. I came back to the room, I rested for a while and did some work which I had. And now I'll just have dinner. Until then, thank you so much for watching, sharing and subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Take care and peace. Day 5 ends with 1009 kilometers.